Today I am going to be changing the motor mounts in my 2005 Honda Odyssey. This is what it looks like with bad motor mounts. Alright, and this is the new ones. See, both of them have these sensors. I know that the one that's under there is the one that sits like this, but let me go ahead and get it jacked up and put on jack stands. Of course, on this here, so it should break the tires loose first. Go over the other side, jack it up. The fender wall, if you don't want to take that off, because all it does is open this up, and it does give you good access right there, but you can reach that without taking that off. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery terminal. I think I'll go ahead and take this out because I got to replace that hose anyway, and it'll maybe help me see down in there a little bit better. Alright, and here's the top of it. I took the battery and the air box out just so I could see down in there. I'm going to get a hold of that top bolt. I guess I'll crawl under there and see what I got underneath. It looks like I just take that off. And there is a bolt up there. You can see it. There's 4 bolts on the 4 corners of this. Right there, then front. And then there's 1 bolt on top. I'll need some extensions, and I'll be able to pull this one out. See, you don't need to take out the bottom out. Well, there's there. I'd say that it's no good. Now it looks like I gotta take these off. Okay, here's how you compare them. That one's fucking trash. But make sure that everything's on there like it should be. Looks pretty good to me. So, it's dropped some, so I gotta lift the engine some more. Alright, I'm having a hard time getting the engine up high enough to put in the new transmission mount on the back. So I remember watching on one of those videos that they undid these so that they'd have a little bit more play in the motor. So I'm going to go ahead and undo these. You just go through these bolt holes under here. Might as well go ahead and change them out while I'm doing this. I mean, this one here pulled out just fine. And you can see how far up that one is. So I need to get these other 2 bolts off right there. Everything about taking these out, these on the side, it's easier to pull them out from the side than underneath. Okay, try to slide these in. The old mount is broke. Didn't even realize that. Let me go ahead and take that out of there. And after I got those 2 side ones done, I can easily put all these bolts, get them started. Or I put those mounts back on. The little ones, that is. Alright. And yeah, it's kind of hard to see with trying to get them to fit, but it's doable. So there's okay. I got a whole bunch of extensions here on this front mount. And I got me a little swivel socket down there. You might be able to get it down at the bottom. But they're right, this is a lot easier. We got this last one. Get that bolt in the front. Get to that front motor mount. Gotta undo this little hidden battery tray so I can get the other mount out. I'll take that thing off from beside it. Of course, go down from the top on this one too. This one's fucking falling apart too. This front one. Yeah. Look, a sheared clumb off. That's that top bolt to it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. That's coming. Alright, and I don't know what these things are on top of these. Protective covers, I guess. Now just try to slide it back down in there. That wasn't so bad. Oh, that'd be a lot easier if there was somebody else here to hold that thing. Alright, now take out this ECU. Now there was a screw down in there too, but I lost that one. Pulls right out of there. Ow!
Which drawer is it in?
Then take these off. Down here, there's two of them. Go get the new one. Guess it's not really bent. It's just how it's built. Let me get these things here. I don't know what they're for, but they were on there before, so let's put them on there now. Last few bolts in there. Getting tight. Make sure to put that back. Now all the motor mounts are on. Let's show you how much this motor's supposed to move. As you can see, it barely even moved now. So, did a good job on it. And that's all I needed to do today. I'm gonna pull this thing out of here and put all my tools up and go in and relax. Peace.